everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you a few tips that I use to make my falsies look more natural. These tips will be particularly helpful for people who have smaller Asian eyes or hooded eyes like mine. As you can see, my eyes are quite small and they have very little lid space. But I'll show you how I work with that. I've always loved wearing minimal, natural looking makeup, so this whole clean girl trend makes me really happy. These tips will help you to achieve that look. The first tip is to choose a lash that has a band that is as thin as possible. I use the Ardell Naked Lashes in number 421. Sometimes when the band is too thick, it takes up all of your lid space and makes your eyes look smaller. This is why it's better to have a thin band. Plus, it's way more comfortable. My next tip is to cut your lashes a little shorter than you normally would so it covers the outer half of your lid. I also sometimes cut the inner part of the lashes so they are the same length as my real lashes. This will help to emphasize your outer lashes, which is a more natural look. Doing this also exposes more of your lid space since it leaves the more hooded parts of your eyes open. My last tip is to use a lash tool to crimp the band with your lash line. I use the Velour Too Easy Lash Applicator, which I will link down below. Doing this blends the fake lashes with your real lashes and again creates more lid space. All of this helps to make your eyes appear bigger as well. And that's it. Those are my tips for making your lashes look super natural. Please check out the description below for all of the products that I used today. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.